Hey guys and gals, I'm going to do a recap of today's price action. Today was non-farm payrolls, December 6, 2013, and my system, market profile, and my automated Fibonacci J signal absolutely nailed it today. What I'm going to go over is what I went over last night. If you have not played last night's video, I projected this exact price action yesterday on our conference call at 5 p.m. on our J signal conference call. Every Thursday, we have an automated Fibonacci indicator for Ninja that tells us when to buy and sell all these markets. And in the conference call for 45 minutes, I went exactly what to look for non-farm payrolls. Let's go over exactly what I did in the video. You can replay that last night, and you'll see exactly what we're going to do. First of all, what I said on as far as profile goes. In the room, we have certain profile. We have market profile in the room. I have only 3 market profile setups that I trade daily in the room on gold and crude oil futures. And we absolutely nailed it today. What I said, if you go over to this Ninja chart, I told traders last night in the conference call, I'm looking for this type of price action. If the market decides to rally off the news, off non-farm payrolls at 8:30, which it did, I made a big giant arrow up. I said, we're looking for a big arrow up. I'm looking for a big move up in the market. I'm looking for a retracement down to my sweet spot zone. I told them the exact sweet spot zone would be right here on the retracement. I nailed it. That's exact level I told everybody in the conference call where to look for a retracement at. I've been doing the same setup since 1996. It stopped exactly at my buy zone off of a blank chart right here. So, and then we had the continuation. So what's neat is I only got 3 market profile setups. It lined up with my market profile. At 8:30, the news posted. If my 5-minute moving averages are up, I'm looking to buy the first test of LVA, low value area. Low value area market profile, my system called the exact low this morning. News comes out at 8:30 on non-farm payrolls. The market comes all the way back down on crude oil, stops exactly on my market profile. We've been doing this for 3 years, exact same setups. You don't need to know a lot of market profile setups. I only got 3. I got 2 retracement setups I do on market profile, and I got my breakout that it called also market profile. That's it. No need to read 1,000, 2,000 pages of books. No need to counter trend trade the market. We're not counter trend traders. Let all those novice traders that think they know how to trade market profile, let them keep doing what they're doing, because when they're buying, we're selling. When they're selling, we're buying. So what we did was moving averages were up by the first test of market profile. Right there it is. First test of LVA, low value area. Look how my green line stopped non-farm payrolls, stopped crude oil right there, right to low. Then the market comes up to high value area where my HVA was. We have a number 2 breakout we look for. My symmetry dots broke, caught that for a momentum play. Then I got a number 3 retracement long. My number 3 is just a breakout of HVA, a retest of HVA. Look how it stopped almost to the exact tick right here. I had we only have 3 market profile setups we've been doing 3 years in the trading room. We don't change our setups. We don't need to. We trade price action. We don't trade off the MAC and all these losing indicators that are lagging off moving averages. Moving averages are worthless. They mean nothing, right? They're great for trend direction, but they're terrible for support and resistance. They blow right through them, right? Look how it blew through the 50 moving average right here, right? Because they're novice traders. They're not educated enough to know you buy price action. Order flow. Order flow is right here. Order flow at LVA was right here with trend. Caught the exact low. Caught the exact breakout on number 2. We got the exact retest on number 3. Now, I projected this, right, at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time the day before. This exact thing, number 1, number 2, number 3. I projected this exact wave. I projected the exact buy zone right here, exactly how to do it. I told my traders how to do it, and we nailed it. So we had a number 1 buy that called the low. The maximum stop we have on trades are only 13 ticks. A lot of times we average between 9 to 11 ticks on our stops. Look at that trade setup. So that's one aspect of the business, right, that we took advantage of. Market profile. Market profile, 3 for 3. All 3 of my setups worked after the news release this morning. Beautiful, right? Then what I say? I said, guys, if we come down to the origin, we're looking for support. Origin is where the market takes off. Right there's the origin, where the market took off. I told everybody in the conference call, look for that for support. There she shot right off here again. So another buying opportunity right here off the previous low of day, right? I gave that to them last night. I already told traders that last night, right? So we knew that. We knew that was support. Bounced off of it. If ever broke, we would have took the first retest short. Never did. Here we go. Now, what else did I tell the traders? This morning at 7:45, I said, hey, guys and gals, we got the J signal, right? This morning. I said in the morning last night, I said, if you're trading gold, then I want you to use J signal. J signal is my automated Fibonacci indicator. My automated Fibonacci indicator. And I'll check this out. Here it is. It gives you the exact bars when to buy and sell. I told my traders, I've been doing this since 1996 as far as trading news off of a blank chart. I know exactly what the institutions want to do. And I said, gold, look for a big move up or down right around 7:50 in the morning. Here it started. 7:50 started right here. Look for a big move at 7:50. I want you to take the first J signal that pops up. There's your first one or the first bullseye. There's your second shot to get in. Look at the J signal, how it called it. We had the trend change. It changed up. There's my Fibonacci pullback with my yellow dot in the middle showing divergence. Nailed it right there. And I told traders, take it all the way up to 8:15. All the way up. Well, guess what? We hit my, you got it, high value area called the exact high in the market this morning. Called the exact high value area. My high value area, HVA, called the exact high, pre-news and post-news. It called both. That's how nice our market profile is in the room. It called pre-news and post-news, called the low and the high. But check it out. So there's a number one trade. I said, listen, on gold, take advantage of from 8:50 to around 8:10. I told traders last night, I told them the exact time to look for. I said 7:50, take it all the way around 8:15. If a trend changes on you, take it all the way back down and hold it into the close to 8:25. I told traders look for exact opposite move because this is how they suck all the public in right here. Take it to the upside with J signal and then take it to the downside. I call this exact time to look for the move up and the exact time to look for the reversal. Look when it started, 8:15 for the big hit. How cool is that? Huge hit. So we took it all the way up and took it all the way back down with J signal. Called that out last night at 5 p.m., right? Right before this morning's session. And then let's go even more. What I tell traders this morning, I post in the room, trading other markets. I say, guys and gals, I want to give you the exact settings on other markets. I want you to look at the Russell 2000, and I want you to use my exact setting and trade off the line in the sand on the first pullback, right? This gave a blue Fibonacci dot. I shut my ninja off here, so this showed a blue dot here with the bullseye. It called the exact low. I gave these traders the exact time frame with my Simrinka bar. We have our own bar type. I developed my own bar type. We don't need anybody else's bar type. We got our own bar type to catch these lows. Look at my line in the sand. It's major support and resistance. I said, if we get a line in the sand trade, you take it, called the exact low on the Russell 2000 for a buy at 835. 100-tick move. Then I said, guys and gals, let's do the same thing on, I gave you the exact setting. I said, let's do it on the EMD. I gave you the exact setting on the EMD, the exact setting at 7:45 in the morning before news came out. And look what it did. It came down. I got a divergent sell with my red Fibonacci dot that came there called the exact low. Not enough, right? That was a big move, 1306 all the way down 1301. I got another 100-tick trade right here. A 10-tick stop for a $1,000 move on the EMD up, a 10-tick stop for a $600 move to the downside. $1,600 per one contract, just like that. And they both were given to my traders at 7:45 to use the exact setting. Not enough, right? Well, gold, gold and oil, same thing, is that we had signals like this all day long. I said on oil, on J signal, works on your own charts, right? On your own charts. What I said, make sure you take the trades. Make sure you take the trades that are what? That are going to be what? Right here. Make sure you take the trades until they match up on what? My line in the sand trades. These are the line in the sand trades you want to take, guys and gals. Those are line in the sand trades you take. So there's some great trades on the line in the sand trades also that we nailed. But what's interesting is that the other markets that I gave you, look at that. You can't get better than that. I give 45-minute heads up to the exact setting to use to catch that high. And it came at, I called the exact bar. That's exact bar high, and that's exact bar low. And my traders knew about it 45 minutes before it happened on the exact time frame. And that's how we do it. So we got the J signal, which gives you these signals, right? It gives you these signals. Here's some more signals. And here's what the J signal looks like. See, this is a sell right there. Right there's a sell. Not be the smartest bear in the woods to understand how this works. There it is. There's my sell. There's my Fibonacci. And there's my sell signal with the yellow dot in the middle to give me a bullseye trade. All right? That's how we do it. And then so that's the automated fib that works on Ninja Trader. It's a $150 a month lease. We got a lot of traders on this thing doing very well. In fact, we had a live trader did 400 ticks live off of this system. 400 ticks live this week. Several traders did over 200 ticks and over 100 plus ticks. Tell me one system out there that showed those results. One. There's no trading room out there that does this. No trading room. You show me one trading room that was 3 for 3 showing the exact level that was called 24 hours before that. Show me one trading room that called the exact level low on the S&P and the Russell 45 minutes ahead of time. Right? A lot of junk out there. Start trading the correct way. Start trading off market profile with a few setups. And we all want to do well, right? All get those ticks that we want. Everybody have a great one. Have a great weekend. We absolutely nailed it today. There's a difference between the trader that has the edge and the trader that just doesn't know what they're doing. There's no subjectivity to my trading style. Zero. None. I gave you the plan last night. My plan exactly worked, exactly how we planned it out. In fact, I got over 500 traders around the world trading this technique off of news called my ebook. Right here. 500 traders around the world trading this number 3 right there. Right off of a blank chart. And I gave this exact setup that would happen in the market. Stopped in my buy zone. It stopped right at my buy zone. And she shot straight up. And that's just knowing how to trade price action, my friends. I'll get everybody confident at this. We'll all try to make a lot of ticks on the same setups. I only have a few setups we do. There's only 2 retracement trades on market profile I do. There's only a couple trades I do on J signal that works on your own charts. Market profile plus Fibonacci analysis with J signal equals complete analysis. Everybody have a great one.